Welcome to my channel, TK Learn. Subscribe now. Nature, nature. Nature means Prakriti. Forest, forest. Forest means jungle. Tree, tree. Tree means ped. River, river. River means nadi. Mountain, mountain. Mountain means parvat. Ocean, ocean. Ocean means Mahasagar. Lake, lake. Lake means jheel. Sky, sky. Sky means Akash. Cloud, cloud. Cloud means Badal. Rain, rain. Rain means Barish. Sun, sun. Sun means Surya. Moon, moon. Moon means Chandrama. Star, star. Star means Tara. Wind, wind. Wind means Hawa. Soil, soil. Soil means mitti. Flower, flower. Flower means fool. Grass, grass. Grass means ghas. Animal, animal. Animal means pashu. Bird, bird. Bird means pakshi. Rock, rock. Rock means chattan. Earth, earth. Earth means dharti. Sand, sand. Sand means ret. Fire, fire. Fire means aag. Waterfall, waterfall. Waterfall means jharna. Desert, desert. Desert means registan. Island, island. Island means dweep. Valley, valley. Valley means ghati. Wave, wave. Wave means leher. Storm, storm. Storm means andhi. Fog, fog. Fog means kohara. Jungle, jungle. Jungle means jungle. Stream, stream. Stream means dhara. Beach, beach. Beach means samudra tat. Hill, hill. Hill means pahadi. Cliff, cliff. Cliff means tila. Glacier, glacier. Glacier means himnad. Pond, pond. Pond means talab. Thunder, thunder. Thunder means gadgadahat. Lightning, lightning. Lightning means tadit. Dew, dew. Dew means os. Mist, mist. Mist means kuhasa. Hurricane, hurricane. Hurricane means chakravat. Cyclone, cyclone. Cyclone means chakravat. Tornado, tornado. Tornado means bavandar. Eclipse, eclipse. Eclipse means grahan. Earthquake, earthquake. Earthquake means bhukam. Volcano, volcano. Volcano means jwalamukhi. Lava, lava. Lava means lava. Cave, cave. Cave means gufa. Meadow, meadow. Meadow means घास का मैदान. Blossom, blossom. Blossom means खिलना. Breeze, breeze. Breeze means हवा. Aurora, aurora. Aurora means ध्रुवीय प्रकाश. Bay, bay. Bay means खाड़ी. Gulf, gulf. Gulf means उपसागर. Sunrise, sunrise. Sunrise means सूर्योदय. Sunset, sunset. Sunset means सूर्यास्त. Rainbow, rainbow. Rainbow means इंद्रधनुष. Blizzard, blizzard. Blizzard means बर्फानी तूफान. Frost, frost. Frost means ठंड. Current, current. Current means धारा. Galaxy, galaxy. Galaxy means Akashganga. Pebble, pebble. Pebble means कंकड़. shore. Shore means kinara.